a trembling roar. Mountains roar deep within the night. It's a call for all to make things right. The earth's lament is a whispered plea, a prayer that shakes so suddenly. Father, teach us how to hear, to hold life close, to harm no more. Let today's pain sound dawn so clear, and in your mercy help us grow for sure. Homes are lost, children weak and worn. Tears run deep for those who mourn. Pain's an alarm we can't ignore. The earth is asking, can we start once more? The